From the last episode, papulit kami halin sa Antipolo, pakadto sa Iloilo. Here we go.
Hello, pakadto sa Iloilo Water Barangay.
After 2 long years, Iloilo we here.
It's Tito Donga. Yeah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Very good kid, yeah.
Again? Very good kid, yeah.
Wow, very good kid, yeah.
Very good kid, yeah. Ihaw na.
Iningat din pakul. Pakul ang tapos baboy. Oo, paihawon.
Kasala na sila nga duwa.
Okay.
When we wait, we're gonna
Wait.
we're gonna play.
Yeah.
And
Where?
we're gonna wait for your date to come.
Okay.
Yeah.
And we're gonna play with some toys.
Okay. Love toys. So many toys here lang, di ba? Ay, naku. Tubi ah. Wow! Be, picture. Picture of you and Owen, oh.
Lipay-lipay gid si Lolo Owen ho.
Dali. Yes, it's happy birthday. Dali. Lolo Owen. Yay!
Patok na ang chow. Ang chow.
Shout out gali kay Uncle Batok.
Ay, bato. Wala niya angkol ya.
Wala, lulo ang bato.
Areo kay shout out sa ikaw o ano, Eugene Andrada, taga Ibisan, ikaw ang tagiya sini. Paki-claim lang sang imo nga rep diri sa ano Buhang Haro.
Thank you gali Manu John and Manang Shai for the venue. Please welcome the Odokados Dumaro chapter. Let's go. Nan, ari naman ang Iloilo kag Guimaras chapter. Na ara na ang warm welcome from Toby himself.
Yay! One more time! Ara na siya.
And now, the man of the hour, the birthday boy, Lolo Owen.
with us, and we are waiting for our other visitors and relatives to come. So let us have a prayer.
And tani Lord, ma-share man naman ang aming blessings, Lord.
Nanbida na naman sa daw iya birthday kag.
And now for my favorite part.
Okay. Bring me 25 centavo coin.
Dasiga ma'am, ang mga sensilyo tada. Sugita ka. Nang Marwen, no, ginmudluan niya ko.
Knees and go. Toes, head, shoulders, knees, head, button.
Siyempre, padagon taman dapat ang gamay. It's party time! Nanara na nagpasikat si Uncle Badong. One more time, Uncle Badong. Ara inyo, hindi man magpapirdi ang hinablos, oh. Thank you again, Tita Beng, Manong Shem, and Manang Bay for coming.
Sige na po. Shem. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Okay na tani pa, kaso lang ari kami din mga bata mo, si Batok Gijay mo ginhakos. Siyempre, sang wala nang tanan, dito na namin ginhatag ang gift ni Papa. Through video chat na lang kami. Kaya bisan wala sanday dyan, gusto man naman maging part sila sang amon niya celebration. Happy birthday liwat pa, kag tani nag-enjoy kagid sa imong nga birthday celebration. We love you so much, and arigali si Mikay kag si Anya para mag-greet.
To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Lolowen. Happy birthday, Lolowen. Happy birthday. Say happy birthday, Lolowen. Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Luluwin.
Love you.
Oh, ikaw mo. Say happy birthday, Luluwin. Love you.
Thank you gid liwat Odokado fam. Thank you gid sa pagpasadya nyo sa birthday ni Papa. Until next time, happy birthday liwat pa.